Chart patterns are one of the simplest ways to interpret price structure. They reflect how buyers and sellers interact over time, and they tend to repeat because market behavior is consistent. The first pattern most traders encounter is the double top and double bottom. These form when price tests a level twice and fails to break through. A double top often signals weakening upward pressure, while a double bottom reflects support holding and potential recovery. Head and shoulders is another widely recognized structure. It shows a transition from bullish to bearish conditions, with a higher peak followed by a lower high. The inverse version reflects the opposite, where selling pressure fades and buyers begin to regain control. Triangles appear when price begins to compress. An ascending triangle forms when resistance remains steady while support rises, suggesting building buying pressure. A descending triangle reflects the opposite, with sellers gradually pushing price toward a fixed support level. Rectangles or ranges show consolidation. Price moves between clear support and resistance without establishing direction. These areas often precede expansion as the market builds liquidity before a breakout. Wedges are similar to triangles but typically slope in one direction. A rising wedge often signals weakening bullish momentum, while a falling wedge can indicate that selling pressure is beginning to fade. Finally, rounding patterns, sometimes referred to as rounding bottoms or tops, reflect gradual shifts in market sentiment. Instead of sharp reversals, they show a slow transition from one phase to another. Each of these patterns provides a different perspective on structure, but none should be treated in isolation. Their value comes from how they align with trend, momentum, and key levels. This creates a more consistent way to read price action, focusing on behavior rather than prediction.